Hi guys, Tech James here. So some of you guys might know the game PT Silent Hill. This is actually a PlayStation 4 game. You can actually get the demo for free, or you can buy the full game. And what somebody has done is actually recreated it in Unity and imported it over to the PS Vita. So I thought this would be quite interesting to try out. I have actually played this game on my PS4, just the demo version. I think I got it when I first got my PS4. But yeah, it was actually quite a cool game. So what you guys want to do if you want to get this is just go ahead and open up Vita Shell, and then once Vita Shell loads, you want to press select because you want to connect your PS Vita to your PC. So go and do that, and then I will show you guys what to do next.
Make sure to check out the link in the description, and here it is guys, the hallway, the Unity project made by Vita Hex. So there is a few screenshots of what it looks like, and it's really looking like the PT demo from the PlayStation 4. I have actually played this, so I can actually compare and tell you guys what I think it's like. This screenshot right here really does look like the PlayStation 4 version. It does look really good. So he says he has recreated his favourite demo of all time. He's called it the hallway, for obvious reasons, you can't breach copyright. But it's a complete recreation of the original, and it's got 3D models and environments, and he created it as close as possible to the original version. So it's got lighting effects, fog effects. It actually looks really, really good. So if you guys want to get it, all you want to do is scroll down and you want to click on this download link right here. This is going to bring us to the VitaDB website. Then scroll down on this page and we just want to click on download VPK. So the VPK file is actually 100 megabytes, so just give this a few seconds to download. Okay, so once it has finished downloading, go to your downloads folder and find the VPK file in here. What we're going to do is just drag and drop this on the root of our PS Vita. So that is literally it for our computer. I can now wait for this to copy across, go onto my PS Vita, install it, and let's see what this is like compared to the PlayStation 4's version.
Okay, so once we're back, let's go and install the VPK file. So it's going to be on our UXO. So let's just scroll down, find it, press X, X again, and then it should start installing. Once it's done installing, let's go ahead and close out of Vita Shell, and now we can find the bubble on our home screen. So here it is, the hallway, or aka Silent Hill. So let's just tap it and go ahead and start it up. So I'm actually going to turn up the sound for this. This is also made by Vita Hex. It's the same person that made that zombie game. There you go, made with Unity. So he did say play with headphones because it's a lot better experience, but for this video obviously I'm not going to, so I'm just going to turn up the volume a bit. Hopefully you guys will be able to hear it. Okay, so now we are playing the game. Now the controls feel very good, it visually looks very good. Now I do remember on the PlayStation 4 version it was actually raining outside. On this one it does not appear to be raining. There's also kind of like a few visual glitches when you look up and down, but overall it does actually look very good. So if you have been wanting to play the demo of this but do not actually own a PlayStation 4, yeah, I definitely recommend playing this. It's free, it looks nice. I'm probably going to play this at night. It'll obviously be a much better experience. But yeah, so far it's actually looking pretty good. So yeah guys, definitely check out this game if you want to. It's pretty cool and it's free, so why not? So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.